Your ID offers you a mix of technology and comfort from the moment you unlock your vehicle. It will welcome you and even look in your direction with its headlights when you approach your ID with your vehicle key. As soon as you touch the door handle, your ID will automatically unlock. Locking it is just as easy. Just touch the door handle and your ID will lock by itself. You can also use your vehicle key to unlock and lock the vehicle. It's also possible with your ID to let some fresh air in remotely, on hot summer days for example. Simply press and hold the unlock button on the key and all the windows will open.
Volkswagen.